Kirsan.
Sir, it is that. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
आप पहले प्रश्न नंबर बोल दें।
Question number 20.
प्रश्न नंबर 22 बोल दें।
22. Question number 22.
ओके। माननीय मंत्री जी, एक
सर सदन के पटल पर उत्तर।
माननीय सदस्य अब पूछें।
सर, ब्रॉडगेज रेलवे लाइन का ये स्कीम है फ्रॉम वर्सा टू गडचिरोली. I belong to Gadchiroli-Chimur Lok Sabha constituency, which is too backward, and it is tribal district. So this railway line started in 2022, and still the work is going very slowly, and it is not getting completed. And another broad gauge railway line is from Nagpur to Nagbir. That is also, the work is going on slowly. That is the replacement of narrow gauge with the broad gauge. And the Honorable Minister can give the when that will be completed and whether they will expedite the matter and will complete as early as possible. Another thing is that this scheme starts from Vadsa. So their underpass has been prepared on the station. So huge water is accumulated during the rainy season under the breeze, and it is very difficult to go another side, and that is way is abandoned for days together. So that has to be done. Another thing is that the train number Vadsa to Chanda Fort 08808 passenger train, that Chanda Fort to Gondia 08805, train number 08724 Gondia to Raipur, train number 57160 Kajipet to Nagpur. These trains have been abandoned, not running since COVID period. So whether the Honorable Minister can start immediately these trains to make convenient to the people, because our people very far area and very remote area, so they face very inconvenient in this matter. So these trains were not running. So previously it was running before COVID, but they have stopped, and now after COVID is over, so I request that these trains have to be started, and immediately when they will start, they will give the time.
बनवा व्हिडिओ, पाठवा व्हिडिओ. आम्ही तुमच्या न्याय हक्कासाठी लढा देऊ. ताज्या बातम्या व घडामोडींसाठी पाहत राहा फक्त महाराष्ट्र लाईव्ह न्यूज. आजच आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा, शेअर करा, कमेंट करा आणि हो, बेल आयकॉन दबायला विसरू नका. जय महाराष्ट्र.